Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share one of my favorite fall recipes, sourdough pumpkin oatmeal cookies. These cookies are refined sugar-free, made with simple, wholesome ingredients. They are perfect for using up sourdough discard and the whole family loves them. Let's get started. First, we're going to mix together our wet ingredients. 1 cup of sourdough discard, a half a cup of pumpkin puree, 1/3 cup maple syrup, a 1/4 cup melted coconut oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla. This mixture gives the cookies a perfect balance of moisture and flavor. Now let's mix together our dry ingredients. We've got 1.5 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and some warm fall spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Mix that all together, then add it into your wet ingredients to form a dough. For a little extra texture and flavor, you can fold in some raisins, dark chocolate chips, or even some chopped nuts if you'd like. Using a cookie scoop, I'm placing small mounds of dough on the baking sheet, then flattening them slightly. These cookies won't spread much while baking, so this step helps keep them a nice shape. Now we're ready to bake. Pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes until the edges are golden brown and the cookies are set. These cookies smell amazing. The boys and I can't wait to try them. Let's give them a taste. They're soft, chewy, and full of pumpkin flavor, the perfect fall treat. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Be sure to check out my blog for the full recipe and more sourdough discard ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you on the next video.